बाल्यादिष्वपि जाग्रतादिषु तथा सर्वस्वस्थास्वती या वृत्तास्वनुवर्तमानम् अहमिति अन्तःस्फुरन्तम् सदा स्वात्मानं प्रकटीकरोति भजताम् यो मुद्रया भद्रया तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्री दक्षिणमूर्तये.
In this sloka, Sri Shankaracharya says, I residing in you as Paramatman, follow you all the time throughout the progression and perfection you attain in your path of evolution in the samsara. And I protect you all the time, and whenever you pray for me, I manifest myself with this symbol of union with me. Then you will have the courage to go onwards into the path.
In this series, designed by S. Sharda, where she is dealing with the philosophy of Bharatanatyam, which combines the moral and the metaphysical purposes along with the aesthetic. We saw in the earlier segments Sharda talk about the geometry of movement and the technique of the dance, the lines created in space by the body, formations, and also on the floor as the dancer covers floor space. She talked about mnemonic syllables and rhythm. She also referred to music and the drum, and she showed how all these experiences converged in one search of looking for the ultimate truth, where the individual identity is trying to get merged with the cosmic identity. In this installment, she now talks about the Ashtanayikas, that is, the 8 categories of heroines in Indian aesthetics, classical aesthetics. And all these Nayikas are centered around the theme of love. Why love, one may ask? Because love is a bonding experience, exalted in almost all philosophies and all religions. Love can be towards the elderly, where it takes the shape of reverence. It can be towards equals, where it is friendship. It can also be towards younger people, where it takes the shape of motherly love or even compassion. In dance, the Ashtanayikas deal with the theme of love as Shringar, the love between a man and a woman. Why? Because this story of Shringar, which is of the beloved wanting to bond with the lover, becomes a perfect allegory for the purpose of dance, where the individual is wanting to become one with the cosmic identity. The Ashtanayikas are often thought of as 8 different Nayikas. It's really just one Nayika shown in 8 different situations, because this deals with the interpretative part of dance, where you talk of the Nayika's feelings and emotions.
Here this Vasaka Sajjika means she who beautifies herself and her surroundings and the place where she lives in order to receive the most beautiful one, the Supreme Sundaram, Divine Sundaram, in order to please him. That is the Vasaka Sajjika. Kshetrajna Padam, which is very beautifully portrays this idea. First he says, I have heard the name of Gopala, that is Nama Mahima. Nama Rupa are both. When you say Gopala or Krishna, the whole qualities and the beauty which is associated with Krishna, that comes into our heart. So when she had heard about Gopala, it seems his name is Gopala. So he is filled with the thoughts of the beautiful Sri Krishna about whom she had heard. That is the Diksha, which is sound. Mantra Diksha it is called.
Kutila